Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into something powerful that can transform your mental well-being, meditation. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 powerful meditation techniques that will help you reduce stress, improve focus, and cultivate mindfulness. In today's world, stress is a given. We all deal with work pressures, personal challenges, and constant distractions. But there's something we can do to take control of our minds and regain peace. Meditation is that tool. It's not just about sitting still, it's about reconnecting with our inner selves and focusing on the present moment. Meditation works by quieting the constant chatter in our minds, helping us relax and find clarity. By focusing on our breath or bodily sensations, we reduce anxiety and foster a sense of calm. Studies have shown that regular meditation lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and boosts serotonin, the brain's feel-good chemical. This results in a better mood and greater overall well-being. But the benefits don't stop there. Meditation also promotes mindfulness, the ability to be fully present in every moment. With mindfulness, you'll notice improvements in decision-making, relationships, and personal fulfillment. To get the most out of meditation, using the right tools can really help. Guided meditation apps, comfortable cushions, and other resources can deepen your practice, whether you're a beginner or an experienced meditator. In this video, I'm not only sharing powerful meditation techniques, but also some amazing products that can enhance your practice. I'll link them in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Let's start with the first technique, focused attention meditation. This is one of the most basic yet effective techniques. Simply close your eyes, focus on your breath, and gently guide your mind back when it wanders. The goal is to train your mind to stay present. This technique is great for beginners. You can use apps like Headspace or Calm for guided sessions to help you stay on track. Next, we have body scan meditation. This one helps you connect with your physical sensations. Slowly, bring your awareness to different parts of your body, from your toes to your head, noticing any tension or discomfort, and allowing it to release. Body scan meditation is fantastic for relaxation and reducing stress. It can also help you become more aware of any physical sensations tied to your emotions. And when you're ready to dive deeper into your meditation practice, a comfortable cushion can make a huge difference. Check out some great meditation cushions linked in the description to make your sessions even more comfortable. The third technique is loving kindness meditation, or metta meditation. This practice involves repeating phrases like, "May I be happy," "May I be healthy," "May I be safe," and then extending those wishes to others in your life. This technique not only boosts emotional well-being, but also increases compassion and empathy. It's powerful for creating a positive mindset and reducing feelings of resentment. Now let's look at visualization meditation, where you picture a peaceful scene, like a calm beach or forest, to help quiet the mind. Visualizing a calm, safe place can help alleviate stress and promote deep relaxation. Visualization can be a great way to relieve stress, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious. Quick transition to the other meditation techniques, each with brief visual demonstrations and explanations. Other techniques include mantra meditation, where you repeat a sound or word to center your mind. Zen meditation, focusing on posture and breath. Chakra meditation, to balance energy in the body. Movement meditation, like Tai Chi or walking meditation, to meditate through movement. Transcendental meditation, which involves using a mantra to reach a state of pure awareness. As you can see, there are so many ways to meditate, and each one offers unique benefits for your mind and body. The key is consistency and finding the practice that resonates with you. And remember, the right tools can make your practice even more powerful. Check out the products linked below to help you create the perfect meditation space. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these meditation techniques help you reduce stress, improve mindfulness, and bring more peace into your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on self-development and wellness. See you in the next video, and may your mind be calm and clear. So don't forget to join us at the selfdevelopmentjourney.com website